Hello. So our recording started now. So our module is third, and we are going to discuss about the financial analysis. Okay. So we have completed Excel, we have completed Power BI. Now financial analysis. Yes. Okay. So financial analysis help organization understand their financial health. Okay. Profitability, liquidity, and future performance. Okay, by the help of analysis, by the help of report, by the help of data, we can analyze the things. We know, we predict the future, what will be happening in the future. Okay, so Excel is one of the most widely used tool for financial analysis and the decision making. We can use both technique like Excel as well as the Power BI for the financial analysis. Okay, yeah. So what is financial basic? Let's understand some of the terms so that we can understand the financial things. So first is financial statement. Okay, profit and loss statement, P&L. Short form is P&L. That is profit and loss statement. One of the most important thing, profit and loss. In any business, any analysis, profit and loss is the most important term. Okay. So company profit over the period. See this. Particular amount. So sales revenue. This is the sales amount. Cost of the goods. Okay. Gross gross profit. Operating expense. Let's suppose you are paying salary, you are paying electricity bill, you are paying rent. So operating expense 80,000. So net profit is uh, sold good minus gross profit. Sorry, net profit is gross profit minus expense. Okay, you will get 120 lakhs profit, 1,20,000. Okay, so this is the sum of the term. Then net profit is revenue minus expense. We already discussed. Then we have a balance sheet. What is balance sheet? So show the asset and the liabilities. Asset and the liabilities. Hope you understand what is asset and what is liability. All right. So asset. Tell me. Okay, you are from the finance background. Okay. Yeah. And what is your current profile in the company? Senior accountant. Then it's very important for you. So asset is the cash. Let's suppose 50,000. Then inventory 1 lakh. Equipment 150. So total asset is sum of all the assets. That is called total asset. Then what is the liability? Liability is nothing but like let's suppose asset. I think you are from the finance background, so already you know asset means we get the payment from, yeah, from something we get the payment. Like if you uh, uh, give your rent on some of the house, the rental will be pay you. But if you are living in some rented house, you have to pay. So something which give profit to you, that is asset, and something which you have to give profit, that is called liability. Yeah. So loan, we have to pay loan, that is liabilities. Owner equity. So let's suppose if we sum of this, it's 3 lakhs. So this is balance sheet. We get it asset and the liabilities. So asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. Okay. Cash flow statement. So take movement of the cash. So activity, cash flow, and the cash outflow. Sales collection. So 1 lakh. Salary payment. That is out. This is inflow. When we sell anything, we get the cash. But we pay somebody, we have to out the cash. Okay. So cash inflow, cash outflow. Yeah. Sales of collection, that is 1 lakh. Salary payment 30,000. Rent payment 10,000. Net cash 1 lakh, and outflow, that is 40,000. So that is called cash flow statement. After that, we have a financial statement diagram. Let's see. Uh, these are the examples of asset, amount, liabilities. These are the examples: cash and equivalent, short-term investments. So these are the things. Okay. Yeah. Big example here. Company XYZ Limited profit and loss statement for the month end on the 30th June 2019. It's a old data. Okay. So yeah, it's a revenue, that is sales, scrap sales, and the interest income. So these are the income. So total revenues $1,13,000. Cost of the goods sold. Yeah, we sold this one 60,000. Rent, then wage, depreciation, utilities. So total expense is 97,200. So 1,13,000 minus this one, total sum A plus B, that is 15,800. Okay. So this is in the form of pictures. After that, cash flow statement like this: cash receipt, cash paid, net cash flow from the operation, like this. Total cash flow. Cash flow from investing. So cash received from the sales to the property and the equipment, and cash paid to the purchase of the equipment. So net cash flow from the investing, this one. Then financial. So cash paid to the loan repayment is this one. So net increase in cash 17,372. If we add and subtract the things in inflow and outflow, if we add and subtract, these are the net cash increase in cash. Okay. So wait, fine. So financial statement. These are the financial statements. After that, we have, yeah. Tell me. Okay. Okay. Fine. Then B point is key financial terms. So we have to understand with these terms, like uh, these are the terms and this is the meaning. Revenue. What is revenue? Total income from the sales. That is called revenue. Expense. Cost include. Okay, means we have to expense this. Profit. Revenue minus expense. Asset, honor, resource, liabilities, debt or obligation. Equity. Honor, share. Cash flow. Cash movement, either in or out. So, so already we discussed these in the above topics: revenue, expense, profit, asset, liabilities, equity, and cash flow. Then ratio analysis. So ratio help evaluate business performance. Okay. Let's suppose we have a ratio: profit ratio, sales ratio, discount ratio. So we can uh, analyze the data. Ratio help evaluate business performance. So we can understand the performance. Let's suppose first year we increase the sales, second year little bit down, then third year it's higher than the first year. So there is a ratio. Okay, so by the help of ratio we evaluate the business performance. Okay, now what is profit ratio? So gross profit margin. Gross profit margin is equal to gross profit divided by revenue into 100. Okay, yeah. So let's suppose revenue is here 5 lakhs, and this is the cost of goods sold, this one. So result is 40%. Okay. So COGS, cost of goods sold. So this is the revenue and this is the cost of sold. So result is 40%, because whenever I this 5 lakhs minus 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs, it will give you 40,000. 40%. So this way we can find the gross profit margin. Then net profit margin. Net profit margin is net profit divided by the revenue into 100. You will get the net profit margin. So these are the terms: gross profit, net profit, liquidity ratio, current ratio, measure ability to pay short-term liabilities. So that is called current ratio. Okay, this is short-term liabilities. So current asset divided by current liabilities. Example, we have an asset of 2 lakhs and liabilities of 1 lakh. So current ratio is 2 asset by liabilities. That is 2. That is the current ratio. Asset by liabilities. Asset by liabilities give you the current ratio. Then we have a quick ratio. What is quick ratio? Current asset minus inventory divided by current liabilities. Current asset, whatever the asset, minus the inventory value divided by current liabilities. That is called quick ratio. Yes. Efficiency ratio. So inventory turnover. Formula is COGS divided by average inventory. Cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. That gives you the inventory turnover. Okay. Higher value indicate efficient inventory management. Okay. Higher this value, higher the inventory management. Then asset turnover ratio. What is asset turnover ratio? Revenue divided by total asset. Total revenue divided by total asset give you the asset turnover ratio. So measure asset utilization efficiency. All right. Mostly these are the theoretical parts. Okay. Let's discuss this first. Then ratio analysis, illustration, financial ratio analysis, dashboards template. So we can create a dashboards like this, and either this one here. Let me. I'm going to import a data. Financial data set. This one. Just simply open. Let's upload the data, and while we check the topics. So financial ratio analysis, dashboards, templates. So we'll try create an dashboards, financial dashboards. So profitability financial ratio, gross margin ratio, operating margin ratio, profit margin ratio, return on assets, return on equity. Okay. So liquidity KPI. Uh, Excel for financial analysis. Let me check one thing. Excel for financial analysis, forecast function. Says so this first Excel financial analysis. We can store the data in Excel. We can analyze the data. We can create a chart. Okay, everything. So forecasting technique. How to forecast? Used to predict future sales or revenue. How to predict? Let's suppose there are the sum of the sales. Jan, Feb, March, April, May. Okay. Hello. And we have ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Jan we have 10,000. Feb we have 12,000, 13,000, 15,000, 17,000. Is there any pattern so that sales is moving? No pattern. I think. See, from Jan to Feb, improving 2,000. From Feb to 1, again 2,000, and then again 2,000. There is no pattern. No pattern. We have a asset. Okay. Now try June. What are the sales in June? We can use Excel for this. All right. To predict the sales in month of June by the help of this previous data, we can predict the future value, forecast the technique. So how to forecast? We have a forecast function in Excel. Forecast function is future sales for June. So we can use forecast function like this and we will get approximate result. Let's go. Let's go and try. Testing VLOOKUP, learning, financial data. So I'm going to open this. Let's see what is under this financial data. Yeah. So even we can check into the Power BI. So already data set is ready. We have cost, product, profit and revenue, and in sheet 2, sheet 1, sales, sales 2, column 1, something like that. Okay. If I go to data table, hello. So this is the product revenue first sheet in this financial data. Under this financial data, we first column is product A, B, C, D like this. These are the product list of product. These are the revenue. Okay, revenue. This is the cost. So what is the profit? Profit is revenue minus cost. Okay, so these are the profits. So we have product column, revenue column, cost, and the profit. In this first sheet, in second sheet, let's see, January to May data, then sales, this data, same data, this data, Jan to May. See this. From Jan to May, we have this data, same data, sales data. Then month 1, 2, 3 like this, sales 2. So we predict the future value. After that, in third sheet, we have row level, sum of the revenue, sum of the cost. Let me, okay, just see whether we can see the data in Excel. Now, Excel is visible. Hello? Hello? Okay, fine. So now we have already this data set. Okay, I want to predict the future value. That is June. What are the sales? Probably, yes, June month. What are the sales? Let's see. So I am just delete this. So this is first month, second, third, fourth, fifth. Till fifth month we have a data, correct? And I want data of June. June. Okay. So first month, second month, third month, fourth, fifth, sixth month. I want data in 6 months. So what we have a formula equal to forecast, forecast this one x. What is x? X is nothing but the month. So then known y, this row, comma, known x. This is the x. Close the bracket. This is the probabilities. See, if I drag all the this thing 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and if I try this, see, by the help of first 5 month data, we predict the last month's data, predict the last month's sale. So this way we can analyze the data. We can predict the future sales so that we can prepare with the inventory. So this is the benefit of data analysis. Okay, a data engineer can do these things, analyze the data, and yeah, they can help in business to manage the things. So we are ready in a future that these kind of sales will be increased. What are the trends? Let's see some more example. Okay, so this way we can forecast the financial analysis. What are the function? Forecast. Okay. Now, so these are the step already we did. Enter the historical sales, select future period, use forecast function, analyze predicted value. Now, budgeting model. So example of budget: expense, then budget. So salary is 50,000, rent is 20,000, marketing 15,000, utilities 5,000, total 90,000. So I think some of this is 90,000. Now, create an expense category. So enter a planned budget, enter actual expend, and calculate variance. So actual minus budget. Enter a planned budget, enter actual spend, and then calculate variance. So how to calculate variance? Actual expend and the budget. Whatever the budget you have, we can plan the budget and what are the actual expense. These are the expense: rent, marketing, utilities. So these are the expense: 20 plus 5, 25. then 5, 30, 40. Out of 50,000, we expend 40,000. Okay, so actually, let's suppose we predicted we will expend 42,000. So sorry. Let's suppose we even it will get the value negative, but I am going to take it positive first. So let's suppose we analyze that we are going to expend 35,000 in this month, but in actual we have 40,000. So 40,000 and whatever the 40,000 actual expend and budget is 35,000. So there is a difference of 5,000. That is called this one. Yes, calculated variance. So 5,000 is the variance between actual and the budget. So this will help us. Yes. Now break even analysis. What is this break even analysis? Determine when profit becomes zero. When it possible, I'm going to show you on the graph. So fixed cost is 1 lakh, selling price is 100, variance is 60. Okay. So break even unit equal to fixed cost divided by selling price minus variance. So 1 lakh divided by 100 minus 60. So 2500 units. This is the breakpoint. Okay. So in Excel we can use like this. In cell B2 we have fixed cost, and in the B3 and B4 we have a selling price and the variance cost. Okay. So enter the fixed cost, enter the selling price, enter variance cost, apply formula, determine required sales unit. So break even chart. We can understand with the break even chart. So a break even point is the point where total revenue equal to total cost. How no profit, no loss. Let's suppose, yeah, you purchase a thing in 10,000 and you want to sell into the 13,000. But there is a point where the 10,000 and the selling price will be touch each other. That point is called the break even point. This means the business has recorded all its cost. See here, break even point. So total cost is this one and the total revenue is this one. Is move straight line like this, and the total cost is start from this 6 here and it's move like this. So they meet here. The total revenue and the total cost meet at this point. This point is called break even point. Here no profit, no loss. After that, this increase and this go downward the revenue. Okay, that is called break even point. So now case study, real world financial data set. So we already have a data set here. Yeah, same data set. This one. Here only three, 1 to 3 product and revenue and the cost. But we have a large data. Okay, large number of product, revenue, cost, product revenue cost, product revenue cost, and the profit. Got it? So first, yeah, calculate the profit. How to calculate the profit? Revenue minus cost. We get the profit. Yes, here this is the formula. Okay. Now calculate the profit. Then product A, B, C. Profit is this one. Now calculate the profit margin. Profit divided by margin into 100. Create a pivot table. Select the data. Insert the pivot and drag down like this. Yes. Let's suppose I'm going to select the table. So these are dummy data. Okay. So maybe you are not understand the things and actual, but if you get the real data and we use this pivot and everything, you will easily find the correct decision and correct reports. See, yes, I am going to create pivot table in new sheet. Now I want to visualize the data, so I just take product into the rows. So all the product is here. Then what is the profit? Just simply get the profit into the value. So this is the product and this is the value. If you want anything more, you can check it. Like if I want to put into the column the revenue like this, and cost into the, again somewhere here. So this way we can get the things. Create a reports on this, or if I just throw it back, revenue into this profit here. So this is the profit report according to the product. Okay, and this is a grand total of profit. Okay, so on the pivot table we can analyze the data, and we can create a reports, we can filter the data, visualize, analyze the data, and then create a charts. We already know, I think we discussed, no, how to create a chart by the help of pivot table. Select the table, go to insert, choose a chart. Let's suppose I'm going to choose a line chart. So it shows the product and the profit. Okay, then we have created dashboards in a this Power BI. So more uh, interactive dashboards like revenue, profit, like this, sales trends. So product C generate higher profit like this. This we can analyze this. Let's see. Already we uploaded the data in this Power BI. Go to dashboards. Yes. I want to first put this cluster column chart, and just simply increase the size. I want to choose product and the profit. Just hold on. So these are the just change the background color so it will be more attractive. General effect, done. If you want to in bold, you know how to edit this thing. So I'm not going to explain that. You can edit according to your choice. Now again, I'm going to create a line chart. Okay, and I want to visualize this line chart as a, wait. This is the product by profit. I want to create a product wise revenue. So product revenue. See this product by revenue. If I change the place, if I make this product into the y-axis, where is the product? If I put product into the y-axis and revenue into the x-axis, what happened then? Straight line. So better, let's discuss the choose product into the y-axis and revenue into the x-axis, and give a color. Okay, now we can easily understand product. This product have the highest profit. Touch this. Product J. Product J have the highest profit, and product O have the lowest profit. Hello? Yeah. So this way we can analyze these things. Line chart here. If I select this and go to wait, data level. Where is the data level? I think data level is inside this under y-axis. Here is the data level. Now this will show the revenue for each product. Product S has the highest revenue, but profit is not the, see, if I see this, product S have the highest revenue, but profit is not for S, because we see this in this graph. Product J have the highest profit, and which is the lowest. Product B have the lowest revenue, but profit of lowest profit is for product O. Okay. Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now if I use card to show the total revenue, just use the card. So we can see show the total revenue here and give some color. Go to general effect. Now again, if I want to show the another card, okay, and I want to show you the total profit, same way, just yes, 1 million is the total profit and total revenue is 3 lakhs, 3 million, sorry, 3 million or 3 yeah, 30 lakhs, and 10 lakhs is the profit. So this way we can create dashboards. Let's suppose if I choose this one, see, all the data are changed. 12,000 for this particular product. This is the revenue. This is the profit, and this is the point where it's meet. So this way we can visualize the data. If you want to add something more for visualization, you can add it. So this way we can analyze the financial analysis, profit, loss, budget, everything. So just for example, I show you, if you get a real data, company data, you can create more than this. If you want to put a, because we don't have uh, geographical data here, that's why. Otherwise, I can add the map also. So we can see the location wise. If you see, we have this data, this data. If I add here the city or pin code, we can put this map, map chart here, here, map, so that we can even understand the area wise or city wise or the country wise sales, profit, or anything, whatever you would want to analyze. So this way we can create a dashboards in Power BI. We can create financial analysis in Excel, create a chart, visualize the data, use the pivot table. So this way we can use the financial analysis or anything, any analysis, sales analysis, financial analysis. So these are the important questions. If you go through this, you will get good experience of this topic. So this is all about the module 3. Yeah. So I'm going to upload this video and share the link as well as this note with you. Yes. Next class we can go to the AI, artificial intelligence. Okay. And let's see how much time it will take. This topic is little simple and not complicated. So it's completed in a one class. Let's see how much time it will take to complete the AI model. Let's see. I am not able to say at this moment. Let me check the entire things and then I will tell you. Okay. So I'm going to stop the class now. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.